How to check screen time passcode on iPhone. You cannot directly view your screen time passcode on an iPhone. Apple hides it for privacy and security, but you can check if one exists or you can reset it safely using your Apple ID, and here is how. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once in there, scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Inside screen time, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom again, and there you will get to see change screen time passcode option available. That means a passcode is already active. But if you see lock screen time settings or use screen time passcode, then no passcode is set. You can simply tap on the change screen time passcode to change your passcode if you have activated, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.